Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to apply GitHub Student Developer Pack. All right, so let's begin with the video. First things first, you need to open up Google Chrome, and in the search bar at the center of your screen, type in GitHub Student Developer Pack. This pack is a fantastic bundle offering students access to a variety of developer tools at no cost, and it's perfect for those who are keen on expanding their tech skills. Then go ahead and click this first official GitHub student link. After you're on the GitHub page, look for the option that says Sign up for Student Developer Pack. It's typically a clear call to action that guides you to begin the sign-up process. Now just click on this Start an Application button and a window will pop up. Here, first select your role in education, and then you will need to provide student verification details, as the pack is exclusively for students. Double-check the requirements, which may include having a student email or providing proof of enrollment. GitHub uses this information to confirm your student status and grant you access to the tools and services. Once you've submitted your information, it's just a matter of waiting for confirmation from GitHub. They will verify your details, and if everything checks out, you'll be able to access all the benefits that come with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. And that's it. So that's basically how you can apply GitHub Student Developer Pack. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.